Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Tailwind from global monetary policy to the world economy. http ntvforex.com News ID 2E5B37 7/14/2020 10:22:57 am. Key points. This document takes a look at the global monetary policy expansion that has been carried out since the beginning of the COVID-19 shock, first looking at the various monetary policy initiatives, then assessing to what extent monetary policy is accommodative, and finally discussing the possible impact on global equity markets. We see global monetary policy as slightly expansionary and supporting our base case of a gradual global recovery. Global money growth has picked up speed, with G4 real money surging to 14% yuan, may double the peak during the global financial crisis. Many bigger emerging markets have also seen sharp rises in money growth on the back of aggressive rate cuts and fiscal stimulus. Easier financial conditions and rising inflation expectations in the US notably also provide signs of an accommodative stance. Monetary policy is set to become increasingly expansionary as virus concerns fade, as we expect the savings rate to fall back again and investments pick up somewhat. Nevertheless, we expect major central banks to remain relatively dovish to ensure that output gaps are properly closed and inflation mandates met. In the event there is a second virus wave and a need for new lockdowns, we expect central banks in need to step up extend stimuli. This is a key risk in the US right now. In such instances, central banks are likely to resort to QE programs and lending facilities rather than rate cuts. The combination of sharp growth in money supply and few alternatives to equities will, in our base case of a macro acceleration, typically be associated with higher multiples on equities. Global monetary expansion in perspective. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, central banks around the world put in place assuasive measures to avoid the tightening financial conditions and excess volatility in financial markets, exaggerating the economic slowdown and leading to a more persistent recession. A distinct feature of the monetary policy response has been the rapid and comprehensive nature of the measures compared with previous crises. These measures have clearly helped lift market sentiment. The following key features of the global monetary and financial policy responses stand out so far. Download the full The Big Picture. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.